Ready?
You be a narrator.
All right, this is Bruce imitating Jane coming down our temporary stairs at the beach. And this is very accurate. This is exactly what it looks like. Really, I'm serious. This is exactly what it's like. Because I have no balance. Oh my God. Come on. Come on. Here you go, Jane. You can do it. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Come on. I'm gonna wet my pants. Oh shit.
Don't laugh at me.
I know. Do you need help? Oh my God. It's hysterical.